This time, proceed tayo anak kay zero exponent. Kailan po nagkakaroon ng zero exponent? Kapag ang base at exponent ay parehas na parehas. O, pakita ko lang kung paano nagkaroon ng zero exponent. First, do they have the same base? Yes. O, what we're going to do, copy the base. Then what we're going to do with the exponent? Subtract. 2 minus 2. Okay. O, kaya nagkaroon tayo ng zero exponent. At anong sabi sa zero exponent? Kapag ang exponent ay 0, anong sagot? Okay, laging 1 yan. Or just simply, kapag ang numerator at denominator ay parehas, the answer is always 1. O another, what do you think will be the answer here? 1. Okay, now let's try another example. O, combination siya ulit nung quotient rule where m is greater than n at parehas. O, what we're going to do, focus muna tayo sa same base. Ano yung same base natin? A and B. Okay, A muna tayo. Saan magstay si A? Taas, baba? Bakit? Kasi mas mataas ang desa sa. So, this will become A raised to what? Anong gagawin natin sa exponent? Minus 6 minus 2? 4. Ito, parehas na parehas po ba? Meaning, cancel mo na lang yan. Okay. So, sa algebraic expression, ang cancellation, anak, hindi ibig sabihin 0 yon. Ang cancellation niyan, ibig sabihin iyon ay 1. At take note, sa multiplication, kahit anong number i-multiply sa 1, ang sagot ay yung given number. Example, 5 times 1, 10 times 1, 11 times 1, 20 times 1, 8 times 1. Okay, ganun din dito. Kasi i-multiply mo siya kay 1. 1 times A raised to 4. A raised to 4. So, therefore, this is the answer na lang. Or just simply, cancel na lang natin na. Another example. This time, meron na tayong numerical coefficient. We have 8x raised to 5 divided by 2x squared. Step 1, since meron na tayo anak na numerical coefficient, ano ang numerical coefficient natin? 8 and 2. Okay, para lang tayo nagdi-divide ng integers. 8 divided by 2, 4. Then, tingnan natin yung same base ng variable. X squared, x raised to 5, x squared. Taas, baba? Taas. Okay, copy the base. Then 5 minus 2. Okay, therefore, this is the answer. Question. Another example. Okay, how many variables do we have? 4 variables. So, same procedure yan. Huwag kayong malilito. Ang iisipin lang natin, taas, baba, ha? Okay, first, divide muna natin, anak, yung numerical coefficient. 36 divided by 6. Saan po yung 6? Okay, nasa numerator. Next, W, parehas sila. Tama po ba? Okay, what is the exponent here? N? Taas, baba? Taas. So, dito si W. Then, subtract the exponent. 5 minus 4? Imaginary na lang si 1. Okay, kanino na tayo? Kay X. X squared, X raised to 7. Taas, baba? Baba. So, denominator siya. Then, 7 minus 2? 5. Okay, kanino na tayo? Okay, Y raised to 7, Y cubed. Taas, baba? Taas. 7 minus 3? And then, itong Y, I say I, parehas na parehas po ba? What we're going to do? Just cancel. So, ito na pa ang ating final answer.